I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying what matters. Pick 3 core messages and craft 10-15-second sound bites for each. Once done, set basic tech camera at eye level, lavalier or USB mic, soft lighting, and record 1 minute takes to test delivery. Practice a short opener and a bridging phrase. Make sure to time yourself and note what feels awkward. Then, book 2 mock interviews this week with colleagues or a coach so you can get immediate critique and iterate quickly. You now focus on technique. Practice bridging from tough questions to your key messages, frame answers with context, and use flagging words to highlight headlines. Once comfortable, record split-screen practice or camera plus teleprompter runs and review for filler words and pacing. Make sure to rehearse calm responses to hostile or unexpected questions, turning negatives into succinct facts. Work on posture, eye contact with the lens, and vocal variety so your delivery matches the clarity. You finish by running 3 full dress rehearsals that mirror real conditions. Same clothes, same timing, same interviewer, and collect live feedback. Once done, create 2 alternative sound bites per message so you can pivot quickly. Make sure to prepare a concise closing line and have key stats ready. If things go wrong on air, pause briefly, take a breath, and use your bridging phrase to regain control. This small pause protects your credibility and gives you a moment to choose the right words.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.